Hi, I'm Jay Guru. Welcome back to Money Matters, where we make money simple, practical, and empowering. If you've been paying down debt, or you're close to being debt-free, this is an important moment. Because becoming debt-free isn't the finish line. It's the starting point. Module 7: Life After Debt. The emotional high and risk. When debt disappears, there's relief, confidence, breathing room. But there's also risk. Without a plan, people often increase lifestyle too quickly, stop budgeting, drift back into old habits. Freedom without structure can quietly reverse progress. Step 1. Strengthen your emergency fund. First, strengthen your financial cushion. If you paused your emergency fund while paying off debt, now is the time to fully fund it. 3 to 6 months of essential expenses gives you stability. Debt-free without reserves is still fragile. Debt-free with reserves is powerful. Stability first. Step 2. Redirect the payment. Second, don't let your debt payment disappear. Redirect it. If you were paying $500 a month toward debt, continue the $500 habit by redirecting it to savings and investments. This keeps momentum alive. Lifestyle inflation is the enemy of long-term growth. Step 3. Begin investing intentionally. Once your emergency fund is solid, begin investing consistently. Start simple: retirement accounts, broad market index funds, long-term diversified strategies. You don't need complexity. You need consistency. Time, not timing, builds wealth. Protect your progress. Becoming debt-free is an achievement. Protect it. Continue budgeting. Continue tracking. Continue reviewing goals. Freedom is not about removing structure. It's about choosing your structure. The bigger shift. When debt is gone, your mindset shifts. You stop reacting. You start building. The goal isn't just to be debt-free. The goal is to be financially secure and steadily growing. Summary: after debt comes direction. Strengthen your emergency fund. Redirect former payments. Invest consistently. Progress compounds when discipline continues. In the next module, we'll talk about investing basics and how to start without feeling overwhelmed. If this lesson helped, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. If this lesson helped, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'm Jay Guru, and remember, make your money matter. If this helped, head over to the description box to send me an email to know more and receive all the freebies to start on your new financial journey.